Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little different, but a little regular. We're going to combine some bacon, make a BLT, but we're going to use some fried green tomatoes. So that's going to be our dish today, and we're going to get the Blackstone working with some sriracha mayo. So that's our plan for today. So we'll see you back here in a minute. Jen's going to fry you up some tomatoes, or actually bread them. I'm going to fry them on the Blackstone. We'll see you in a bit.
I just want to tell you everything we're going to use in these fried green tomato BLTs. Green tomato, of course. And then for the breading, we got flour, seasoned breadcrumbs, and egg. We're using some nice sourdough bread, some iceberg lettuce, mayonnaise, bacon, and sriracha sauce. So I'm going to finish slicing up these tomatoes, so let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Alright, and I'm using this mandolin so I get nice even slices about 1/4 inch thick. So the first slice kind of looks like that, not much I can do with that. I'll get rid of it. Okay. So there's our sliced green tomatoes. So let me get the breading back in here. First step is the flour. Second step is the egg. And third step are the seasoned breadcrumbs. Now the trick to doing this without getting too messy is have a pair of tongs for the wet. Because you don't want to be putting your hand from dry to wet because you'll end up with a big goopy mess on your fingers. So, dredge in flour, drop in the egg mixture. Actually, I should have mentioned it's 2 eggs with just a couple of tablespoons of water, just to loosen it up a little bit. Drip off the excess. Drop it in the breadcrumbs. I like to just shake it around, and then pick it up, put it on a plate, you got a nice breaded green tomato. So I'm going to do that with the rest of these slices, and then Corey's going to fry them up.
Alright, now we're going to make the mayo for our fried green tomato BLT. Epic BLT it will be. So here we go. 4 tablespoons of mayo. It's obviously going to make more than for just one sandwich. And you can definitely use this as a dipping sauce for your fried green tomatoes also. To this, 1 teaspoon red white vinegar. Not very much. We're going to hit it with just a little smidge of honey. Half teaspoon, give or take. Sriracha. The good stuff. One heavy tablespoon. And with that, we're going to add a pinch of kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper. What we're going to do next is just add a little more flavor to it. So we're going to add some fresh rosemary that got out of our herb garden. And we're just going to run our knife through that pretty good. Flavors and aroma release throughout it. Alright, that should be good. I would say a teaspoon. 1 garlic clove, which I've already peeled, crushed. Read right through it. You can definitely scrape it if you want to, but it's just one, so it won't take long to read right through it. quick. finer you get this, the more flavor is going to be going through your sauce for your fried green tomato BLT. So do a little work on it. Alright, that's good. So that goes into the party right there. So that's what our mixture looks like. We're gonna give it a stir up. That's what you got. That's gonna be our meal. Hey everybody. Now we're back outside. We're gonna do some fried green tomatoes on the Blackstone and some bacon, obviously, and we're gonna keep building this ultimate fried green tomato BLT with chipotle, rosemary, aioli. So let's get it going. Oh, here's Jen. What do you got there, Jen?
Oh, I was just coming back from the garden and picking some vegetables.
That looks good. Hot and spicy.
I'm gonna bring them in where it's nice and cool.
Alright. It is hot here and humid in Lincoln today. I don't know. It seems like it's just humid as heck. But anyway, we got the Blackstone going. Let's get the fried green tomatoes going. Let's go. Let's do it now. So these are all of delicious Jen's hard work here. We're just gonna fry. You aren't gonna need these all. We're just gonna fry them up. And we like to eat these as snacks or whatever. So I'm just going to fry them all up here quick. You're going to need a decent amount of oil on your Blackstone, that's for sure. So go ahead and just get them going. You're going to have to babysit these suckers a little bit because they will burn. But you do need a decent amount of oil because you're obviously doing a fry. You can definitely do this in a frying pan. You can do this in a deep fat fryer, which is what we usually do in the house when we do fried green tomatoes. But I thought we could do it on the Blackstone. I don't see why not. So I hope I don't fail visibly here. I mean, I could because I did try this out. So I think we'll be okay though. So we got those going. And just because I'm a chicken, I'm going to give them some more oil. Alright, great. Delicious bacon. Let's get that going too. Why not? Side by side. I got a little bald spot on my Blackstone back here. That was from my bacon jam Gorgonzola video because I just burned it hot doing that bacon jam in the pan there. And now I got a bald spot. So you know what's best for that is bacon. So we'll put some bacon on there. No bacon, alright. So just straight up, regular, I'm using Applewood bacon. You can use obviously whatever you want. We'll get it all going here. Get a little bacon over there by those tomatoes so we can get a little of that bacon flavor flowing over there too. I'm just going to make one sandwich. Obviously you can do as many as you want. There's enough dipping sauce to do what you want to. That's enough for one sandwich. That's all I'm going to do today. But you get the point. There's going to be probably two of these that are going to be snacks and a whole bunch of these that are going to be snacks. So hey, I like my snacks. So here we go. You want to keep an eye on these because they will go quick on you. And you got to know your Blackstone because if you don't know your Blackstone, you don't know where your heat is. So here we go. See, there's a hot spot right there. Get that turned over. probably add a little bit more. Obviously, this is the Blackstone frying pan, so it's not containing our oil. It's falling down this way and going out that way. But we'll make it work. It's pretty level, and obviously you can tell we got some good frying going on there. And our bacon going on here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to cut you here, and we'll bring you back when we're getting closer. Alright, we're back. Obviously I got my fried green tomatoes flipped and my bacon's flipped. It's working really well. We're getting some good color on these fried green tomatoes. Working really well. The bacon's cooking up good. Won't be long here. Put down. Get some bread on here, get it toasted. Get our fried green tomatoes. Some of these are done, like this bad boy right here. Look at him. Beautiful. So we're gonna pull him over there to the corner spot. Look at him. I mean, come on, that's delicious. All these over here, go over here. Put down. It seems to be a little hotter right here in the center, so which makes sense. So everything there. These over there. These over there. I'll bring you back. Alright folks, we're getting super close here. Our bacon's just about where we want it. Our fried green tomatoes are where I want them, so they're all going over to the cool pond over here. Our bacon's just about there. Get rid of some of that stuff. And what I want to do here is get my bread toasted after I get some of this out of the way. So what we're going to do is just toast the sourdough, which I got here, 2 slices. What I like to do is take it over there, sop up that good bacon grease. There we go. Over here, sop that up. Take these bacon, they are done. They're going over here to the cool zone. He's good to go. Take it over here. And now what we're doing is toasting our bread. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take you inside, we're going to build it. I'll see you in a sec. Alright everybody, welcome back. Just build this bad boy. So we got our bacon from our Blackstone that we cooked perfectly out there. This nice and crispy. I mean, come on. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's crispy. So we got that. We got some nice lettuce. So BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato. So here's the star of our show. Our fried green tomatoes. Delicious. Delicious little burgers that they go on there like that. So we're going to do that, get that out of the way. So we got 4 of those on there. We got that, we got that. So right now, before I put the lettuce on, I want to give this a little of our mayo mixture that we made earlier, which will be delish. I'm just going to give a little bit as a border for the wetness on the other side of the bread here. Got enough there, but that'll work. Top it with our lettuce, with our deliciously toasted bacon fat bread. Alright, let's cut into this bad boy, see what we got. Come through. There you got it. That is freaking deliciousness. Let's take a bite of it, see what I think. I think it's good. Make it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. Thank you. You'll have a good day.